Guys, so today we are going to design a facade design wall with wall sweep in our Revit. So now we'll go to our new architecture tab. We'll taking the architectural template, right? So we will create a wall. Click on WA. So we're going to take the highest dimension, so that is 300 January. So we're going to select this. Now we'll go to south elevation. So we will add some more these levels. So we'll select some. We're gonna create CS. So we're going to give an offset now. 100. So this change to select centimeters. 50. So we're going to select this, click on CS, similar, select the offset. We're going to take us 50. We're going to select this as level 6. So right. So we're going to select the size. So we're going to select this to 5. So we have created our levels, right? So we have to add the facade, right? Facade, we need to go to the, so we need to create a wall sweep. So here we have rectangle and we'll select the vertical, right? Vertically, right? So sweep means basically create some geometry vertically, horizontally. It tries to be straight, right? Along to the facade, right? So wall reveal means it will reveal cut the wall, putting into wall. So we know how seen sweep means projecting out the wall, reveal means cutting the wall, right? So we need a wall sweep. So we don't have any profile, so now, so this, we select profile. So what we are not looking for this, right? We need for a custom one, right? It's to be fitting over horizontally and vertical, right? So for that we need to create a custom family. So go to Revit, go to new, click on family. So we're going to select metric. We'll select, we want select to default metric profile, right? So we also have reveal profile somewhere. So we have the reveal profile, right? And reveal. So we don't have a metric profile shape, so the metric profile, not profile. So we are going to create a profile, right? So select your line. So we're going to select one line here and one line here and one line here. So we have drawn the wall, right? So we're going to select this is 700. So this should be 1400, right? So now go to create line. So we will select here, select the center point here, here, and again from here to here, right? So now go to this offset of. So we're going to create an offset of. So this 80, right? So it's going to create offset like this, So I can go to create line. So place your line like this, so right. So we're going to select the trim and extend, right? So this one and this, right? Trim and extend this. So go to SL split line. So we have to split these elements, right? So select here. So go to the trim and extend and select all this, right? So select this and delete all this, right? So we have to trim and extend this, right? So this and this, and this, right? So now we need to delete this. So go to load into project. So we are going to 3D. So we have this animation, right? So go to wall and shape. You can go to edit, so for profile. So we'll choose the profile one. Okay. So here we have shape, right? So you can place one like this, right? So we have placed like this, right? So again go to sweep and horizontal like this, right? So now again we go to south elevation. So we have like this. So you can just use it to align, right? So from align, select this to here. So it is left. Now select this one, copy multiple, select, so select here and here. So you can select the distance between, select the distance it is, okay, right? So now select this one, and go to copy and uncheck the constraint, select the multiples, and we don't have this 250 like this, we can answer, right? 350, 450, 350 and 350, right? So like this we can create, right? So select this, you can move away from this. So we have this. So like this we can create, right? So if we want to select this, split, so like this we can select our sweep, right? So we have edited this, right? So we can also change this, right? So now we select here, here. So like this we can place it, right? And select here, select here. So like this we can some patterns like this, right? Facade, right? Now we go to 3D. So here you can see the facade, right? You can turn on the shadows. So here we can see even the better columns, right? This is the render dialog box, right? So here you can see this is the facade, right? So here you can see, so this is how we can make the facade, right? So we have done the facade, right? So if you go to 3D tool, it looks good, right? And turn on the shadows. So you can see these little shadows, right? So now you can add windows over here. Go to window. So the biggest one, it is too small, right? Go to lid type. So you can select this as D. This is apply, okay. So you can put level like this, right? The windows, right? Put the type. Okay. So like this we can place over here like this, right? So we can also render this, right? So go to corner, so we can make it white, right? So go to edit, material, edit, voting by category, select the, so we'll select the default, so change this color to white, here as well. Okay, it will automatically change the intensity to white, right? So the sweep also don't have material, so go to edit. You can edit the material here, right? So we need to automatically go to the default and set to white, right? We can't double R. Try this on render, so we can see that, right? Our appearance is so good, right? So this is how we can make a facade in our Revit software. Thank you.